Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another Ulofey wig review. This is our second wig from this company and I'm very excited about this one because this is the company that is very comfortable. They focus on cap constructions that are comfortable to wear all day long. They have different options onto their website. They don't just have one cap, they have something that fits every single person. So we're going to try a different cap today. Very excited about this one. The different cap construction is amazing and so different. And when I heard of it, I was like, what even is this? So I'm going to show you this amazing new feature. But the only thing is I went with a different color because I've been keeping it so safe onto my channel. And I'm going to pop up some inspo photos right here that you can see from Pinterest. This color is going viral on Pinterest. It's going viral on TikTok. I have been seeing this like color pop up more and more every day. And I'm not gonna lie, like this is one of those colors that usually looks so pretty on girlies like who have warmer undertones, softer features, and lighter brows. And like me, I have darker eyebrows, I have dark eyes, I have cool skin. So this is definitely like, I tried to warm it up as much as I could today, but it's definitely not gonna be my color, so just keep that in mind. I do know, but I'm trying to show you more options. So now let's get into their diamond liner lace collection. Let me zoom up, show you guys real close before I put this wig on. And I swear I'm getting to the point where I put this wig on, but I want to show you guys up close what this looks like and how maybe it could help you. So this is basically like there's like a soft lining underneath where the knots are. So instead of the knots sitting directly on top of your scalp, you have that extra layer in between, which just helps with less irritation, more comfort, and it also protects the knots so the wig lasts longer. So if you are somebody who's like, my wigs are always itchy, I hate how they feel on my head, this is actually meant to fix that. And I actually didn't fully understand how important that was until I helped a little girl. So there was a little girl at a school and my sister-in-law reached out and she wanted me to help this little girl. Now this little girl had lost her hair and she was wearing a wig that was itchy, too big for her. It was a very cheap synthetic wig from Amazon and she was really struggling with putting it on. She ended up just not putting on like at all because it was just so uncomfortable. And whenever I went there, I agreed to go help her and figure out a wig that she would feel good in. As soon as I put the Ulofey, the last Ulofey wig on her, she looked in the mirror, she said, I don't want to try any other wig on. She said, this is what a wig is supposed to feel like. Now this is like a little 8-year-old girl, and I didn't realize how important the wig cap constructions are in wigs just because I have hair, right? So I don't feel all the itchiness. I don't feel all the things that some people dealing with hair loss are going through. And so whenever she put this on, she lit up and she felt so comfortable in it. And I was actually nervous because it was a medium cap construction. So if you're worried about sizing, we tightened it into the back simply with the adjustable bands, the adjustments into the back to the tightest. And whenever she put it on, it fit her so snug. The lace melted into her skin without any type of foam, without any glue, and it just looked so good on her and she felt amazing. She said like she wasn't itchy, it wasn't coming off of her, she didn't feel like it was sliding anywhere. And so it is so important. After meeting with that little girl, I realized how important Ulofey is and how much I want to support them. So one of the things I want to show you guys up close is the hairline. How are the knots? How is the hairline, like the lace? Is it showing? You can kind of see a little bit of my hair underneath. Don't mind that, okay? I don't have like a wig cap on or anything, so of course you're going to see my dark hair just a bit. But the thing is, whenever it comes to their caps, I find you do not need any type of glue. You do not need any type of mousse. I feel like the lace quality is a little bit thicker. And usually when you have a thick lace, you can see it, like it's very noticeable. This one is completely transparent. Like when I lift it, and because I feel like it's denser, it's just not budging. It's just like staying to my scalp. The wig is not sliding backwards. It's not budging. It's not moving. I don't have to keep, pulling it forward. So this way it stays in place. And whenever it comes to my ear section, so I'm going to show you the inside. So it's kind of like this firmer material. And whenever I put it around my ear, there is no lace at all. Like there was, I did cut it, but there's no lace to be seen, and it just lays so nicely. And so whenever the wind comes, you're not gonna have to worry. Right now you can see my dark hair, I know, but like you're not gonna worry about your lace showing. And it's not budging, it's not moving. There is lace there. You see? You just can't see it, and it's not like this lace will never flip. This is really good for people that are trying to invest into a wig company, into a wig that they're not going to throw away. They are going to keep this for a very long time. This is going to be that wig. It's so comfortable. The lace density is amazing. It just blends. And so right here, you can kind of see that I have dark hair, right? But this is what it would look like if you were putting it on top of your bare head and you didn't have dark hair underneath. It looks so good. So if you're somebody who has been dealing with comfort, like having struggles with comfort whenever it comes to your wig, you have been dealing with a struggle whenever it comes to how it lays onto your forehead, and you have been looking for a wig that's super simple, easy to wear, feels comfortable, this might be your solution. This might be the wig for you. If you want a different color, maybe I'll link some in the comments down below, also in the description box, all the colors that they have with this diamond lace feature, because they have so many and it's so realistic looking. Like the quality of it is so realistic. So I'm just gonna pause right here and show you guys the quality of the actual hair, because I went ahead and washed this hair. Let me show you the clip. I went ahead and washed it with some Redken shampoo. I didn't use any conditioner, just the shampoo, because I wanted to see what the quality of the hair would look like the next day. Because sometimes you'll get wigs and they're super soft, super nice, and then you wash them and bam, they're not good anymore, right? Like we've all had that. So I went ahead, washed it, and all I did was comb this hair. I did not go ahead and like straighten it. I didn't do anything that would cause it to look healthier. I let this air dry, and look how beautiful the hair still looks. This obviously is not my color, so it looks a little bit off, but I know on so many of you that love this type of color, that have the features for this color, I know you're gonna absolutely love it. So let me know in the comment section down below what colors you wanna see. Do you wanna see more of these viral type of tones, like these colors that I don't typically go for? What color do you have? What color do you wanna see? Put in the comments down below. I need to start working on showing you things that are not my safe zone, that are a little bit outside of the box that you guys are actually looking for. And I'll see you guys in the next. Bye guys.